Adding a sprite. When you open MakeCode Arcade, there is no default sprite present. So, firstly, we need to add a sprite by choosing from two options, that is, creating a new sprite using the image editor or using a built-in sprite from gallery. Let us learn about both options. Creating a sprite using the image editor. To create a sprite using the image editor, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the Sprites Blocks category. 2. Drag the Set to Sprite of Kind block and drop it inside the On Start block. 3. Click on the image icon. The image editor window will open. Let us understand some basic components of image editor window. Pencil size. Adjust the thickness of the pencil tool for drawing. Pencil tool used for freehand drawing with adjustable stroke size. Rectangle tool creates rectangular shapes with specified dimensions. Circle tool draws circular shapes with adjustable radius. Eraser tool removes or erases parts of the image or drawing. Fill tool fills a selected area or shape with a solid color or pattern. Line tool draws straight lines between 2 points. Color palette provides a range of colors to choose from for drawing and filling. Undo or redo reverses or reapplies recent changes made to the image. Zoom adjusts the view size of the image for detailed editing or a broader view. 4. Create your own sprite using various tools. 5. Click on the Done button. You will see the created sprite in Game Simulator window. Using built-in sprites from the gallery. To use built-in sprites from the gallery, follow the given steps. 1. Select Gallery after clicking on the image icon. 2. Select desired sprite to add it to your workspace. 3. Click on the Done button. You will see the selected sprite in Game Simulator window.